The quick way: warp text and image in Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and open New Image. Then go to the Select Pen tool and create a path around the image. Then select Text tool and create a text. I do this. Ctrl+C copy and Ctrl+V paste. Also, you can change text style of the top. I do this. Now we warp text and image in Photoshop. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.